How to transfer money from HSBC to another bank. Your financial power awaits. Let's initiate the transfer. First, access your HSBC online banking portal or the mobile app. Navigate to Payments or Move Money. Choose Make a Payment or New Payee for an unsaved recipient. Obtain the recipient's full name, their 6-digit sort code, and their 8-digit account number. Input these details with extreme precision. A single-digit error misdirects funds irrevocably. Enter the exact amount. Provide a concise reference for your records. Before proceeding, meticulously review every detail on the summary screen. Recipient, amount, account numbers must be perfect. Finally, confirm the transfer. This often demands a second authentication layer, such as a security device code or mobile app approval. Once authorized, the funds are dispatched. While processing times vary, most transfers are instant or complete within a few business hours.